Good afternoon, grade 3 students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
I am teacher Glyza and I will be your teacher for today's science lesson. So before we start, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
That's good to hear, you're all fine. So before we start our lesson, this will be our learning objectives. So first, you will be able to describe accurately how the five senses, which are the sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, are used to observe and gather information about different objects and their characteristics. And then you will demonstrate curiosity and appreciation for the role of the five senses by actively participating in class discussion and showing enthusiasm during sensory activities. And you will also be use your five senses to observe, compare, describe the object properties such as color, texture, soundness, taste, and odor with at least 80% accuracy. So now, who among you here remember our classroom rules? Anyone? Stage 1. Yes, Katrina.
Listen to the teacher when she's
Very good. Listen when someone is talking in front. How about Olivia?
Raise your right hand before you talk.
Very good. Raise your right hand. How about Mars?
Listen to the teacher while speaking.
Listen to the teacher while speaking. You're all correct. You have remembered our classroom rules. So before we go on our lesson, let's watch this video first. So please see.
I have two eyes, so I can see, and nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch. They do it very well. I have 2 ears, so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. I have 2 eyes so I can see, and they nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can walk.
Okay, now what have you observed on the video? Anyone? Yes, Mars.
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body. How about yes, Olivia?
The five senses.
Your five senses. What are five senses? Katrina.
Teacher, it is the sight, hear, smell, touch, and hear picture.
Very good. The five senses are sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. So, you all know about the five senses. So now let's explore each senses. So, smell, sound, touch, and taste. Now I have a question. What do we use to see things? Yes, Katrina?
Eyes, teacher.
Eyes, very good. Now look at this picture. What can you see?
It's an apple, teacher.
It is an apple. What color is an apple? Yes, Olivia.
Red, teacher.
Red. Very good. Now, what do you see in this picture? Yes, Katrina.
It's a bell, teacher.
It is a bell.
Wow, yes.
So do you hear the bell?
Yes, teacher.
What do you use when you hear it? Yes, Mars.
Here's teacher.
Ears. You use your ears. Now, how about what can you see in the picture? Yes, Olivia.
Cookies and lechon, teacher.
Cookies and lechon. So, which food tastes better? Yes, Katrina.
Lechon, teacher.
Lechon. How about you, Mark?
Cookies, teacher.
Cookies. You prefer classmate?
Yes, teacher.
What is that?
Smells good.
Smells good, that. What do we use when we smell something? Yes, Katrina.
Our nose.
We use our nose. So that's the use of the five senses. Now I want you to Okay, now I want you to answer this sense quest challenge. So let's see who among you here are the sense master. So what can you see here? Yes,
It is a beautiful flower tissue.
a beautiful flower. So when we talk about a beautiful flower, okay, now I want you to answer this sense quest challenge. So let's see who among you here are the sense master. So what can you see here? Yes,
It is a beautiful flower tissue.
a beautiful flower. So when we talk about a beautiful flower,
Next question.
okay, you use sight because we use our eyes when we see a beautiful flower. How about this picture when we see on the TV? So when we see a dog barking, you use your hearing or your ears. And you use the sense of hearing. Why? What do you think? We use, yes?
We use ears, teacher, because the dog is barking and it is very noisy.
Very good. Right? Let's give Mitchell amazing claps. Amazing claps again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. So now let's proceed to the next part of our lesson. What can you see in the screen? Yes, Olivia.
Hi, Pete.
Please stop the sentences you will use when you say hot pizza.
Today we are going to explore in the virtual garden. So put on your VR devices and look around. So what can you see around the virtual garden? Yes, Annalise?
Teacher, I can see a very beautiful flower and I can hear a bird singing.
So Annalise, what senses did you use?
I use my sense of sight, teacher, because I can see the flower. And I also use my ears for the sense of hearing, teacher, because I can hear the beautiful song of the bird.
Very good, Annalise. Let's give Annalise 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So next, let's explore again in the virtual garden. So what can you see in the virtual garden? Katrina?
I feel like I'm in the midst of the forest, teacher, and I see beautiful, and I feel the cold breeze of the water. Teacher.
So let's give Katrina fireworks claps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, class. So this one. So class, what senses did you use? Yes, Katrina?
Sense of hearing, teacher,
I give you Mars and I give you cards and tell me what. Tell me which sense did you use? This for you, Katrina, Annalise, and Mars. So, Katrina, what senses did you use?
I use the sense of touch because it is. In here I am touching silk.
Very good, Annalise. Very good, Katrina. You, Annalise.
I taste the orange teacher. It's very, very, very good.
Very good. Mars, what's yours?
I see sense of smell teacher because I smell the flower.
Very good, Mark. So, excellent class. You are learning how to use your senses to explore the world around you. And just like in our virtual garden, and with these AR objects, our senses help us see, hear, touch, and smell and taste different things around you.
Our sense of sight help us see the world around us. So try to look at the things around you. So what can you say about it?
It's nice, teacher.
Yes, very good, Ivy. Olivia, very good. Another? Yes, Cecil, what are you doing there?
Yes, teacher, what is the question again?
Try to see things around you.
Yes, teacher.
What can you say about the things that surround you?
I see a sunny day.
Please stand up.
I see the sunny day. The weather is sunny.
Yes, very good. So, in seeing things around us, what side are using? Yes, Olivia.
Nice, teacher.
Yes, eyes. So that the sense of sight is our first sense. So the next sense is the touch. So when you are holding something, what kind of senses, or what kind of sense you are using? Like when you are holding this one, the cover of your cell phone, or the book, or in example is when you are holding your cell phone, what kind of sense you are using? Yes. I use the sense of touch, teacher. Very good. So, our sense of touch helps us feel different textures and temperatures. We use our skin to touch things like soft objects, rocks, and play on the street. So, okay, example. Try to raise your hand with two hands and try to feel your skin. What do you feel? What do you feel? And what picture? Yes, your hand. How about your Mars?
My skin are so dry.
Your skin is so dry. Right. Your skin. What did you feel about what did you feel about your skin?
I feel so dry.
You should use lotion.
I forgot to use moisturizer earlier.
Okay, so it is very important to use moisturizer so that our skin will always stay smooth. So the next sense we are going to tackle is the sense of smell. So I am here an example. So someone is cooking a pie. Then how did you know that somebody is cooking a pie? Okay, Annalise, I know that someone is cooking a pie, teacher, because I can smell that it's very good, teacher. Yes, it's from afar. You know that there is
something or someone is cooking because of its
Smile.
yes, its smell. Then when you smell something, what sense did you use?
I use my nose, teacher.
Okay. For the next smell is the sense of touch.
Taste.
So, our sense of taste.
Burger.
Yes, it's very what's
Teacher, burger yung Mini or burger
Mini burger.
Mini
I think it's minute burger.
Why, teacher?
Because there's some rich cheese.
Ah,
Okay.
So in the Jollibee, there's no cheese.
No. Every burger is very delicious.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Our sense of taste helps us enjoy different flavors. So when your mother is going somewhere and when she arrives at home, what things that she brings for you or what things she buys for you. It's some things like food.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, food. What kind of food? Yes, Olivia.
She's bread, teacher.
Wow, that's so delicious.
Yeah.
Is it yummy or not?
Yummy, teacher.
How can you say that it is yummy? Because
Excuse me, teacher. Teacher.
Sabi niyo sa bathroom, teacher.
okay, you can go. Okay, back to the lesson. How can you say that the bread that your mother is buying is tasty? Teacher? How can you say that the bread that your mother is buying is very delicious?
Because when I taste, teacher, it's yummy.
Yeah, that is very good. So the last sense is the sense of hearing. So when you hear the loudest music when you are at home, are you annoyed or not?
I'm so annoyed, teacher. It's very noisy and irritated.
So what are you going to do?
I'll just keep my mouth shut so that they won't annoy me.
Okay. So is it good for our ears?
No, teacher, because our eardrums will go to God.
Okay, so when you hear the very loud music, so it's better that to lower its volume in order to take care of our ears. So, when our sense of hearing, what parts of our body are we using? Yes, Olivia.
Ears, teacher.
Ears, very good. So, what are those five senses again? What are those five senses again? Yes, Olivia.
Smell, taste, hearing, smell, touch.
Okay, very good. So, all of those senses, are these important in our everyday life?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
How can you say? Why can you say? Or how can you say that it's very important?
I think, teacher, it's very important because if we don't have any sense of hearing, of sight, of smell, of touch, and of taste, teacher, our life will be very much boring and very meaningless, teacher, because we won't feel everything in the world.
Yes, that is right. So what are you going to do in order for you to enjoy all of those senses? What are you going to do? You are going to, yes, Olivia?
Take care of my five senses, teacher.
Okay, very good. So each of those senses are very important in our everyday living so that our living will make things
Okay, class. Let's have our individual activities. So let's have a short game. What game? What play? Okay, so this is our game. So sense stress challenge. So I have here some question and we will play as individual. So each will gain a point if you have a correct answer. So I will show you the activity. So okay, if you want to answer, just raise your hand, okay?
Yes, teacher.
So let's start the quiz. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the first quiz. Which says Okay, I'm sorry, I will just read. So which sense helps you to see things around you?
Teacher.
Wait, I will just count 1 to 5 and I will call you raise the first, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Ivy.
No, teacher, it's Olivia.
Okay, Ivy, is Ivy upset?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Olivia, just come here to front and answer our quiz. Very good. So Ivy have already 10 points. So now let's proceed to the next question. So okay, what part of your body do you use to hear sounds? I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Liza.
Teacher, my answer is nose.
Please stand in the front.
Nose. No.
Oh no, it's okay. So, who wants to answer? It's okay. Let's find out what's the answer. So the answer is ear. So Liza is also correct, but
No, I'm not.
ouch, no. I'm just teasing.
Teacher,
Yes.
can we have more activity because I am doing CRE.
Yes, I have another one. So let's proceed. Next question. So now, which sense lets you taste your food? 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Yes. Only.
Katrina, teacher.
Yes, Katrina. Please stand in front and answer the quiz.
Wow.
Very good. So let's give another chance to Liza. So let's proceed to the next question. So what do you use to smell flowers?
Ears. No.
Very good. You understand our lesson for today, so let's give yourself a big hand. Any questions?
No, teacher.
So, okay, now let's have your assignment. So, for your assignment, just explore your home and list down the things that you use your 5 senses and ask it tomorrow morning. Understand?
Yes.